story resumes on a young, violent Earth. The oceans are not blue, but a murky greenish brown, rich in dissolved iron. The sky is a hazy orange dot. Deep in these alien oceans, a resilient spark of life, now part of a simple, single-celled organism, survives in a world without oxygen. These first life forms, called anaerobes, live in darkness, drawing energy from the chemical-rich waters of the deep sea vents. They are the undisputed rulers of the planet. But near the sunlit surface, a new power is about to be unleashed. A new type of cell is evolving, one with a revolutionary secret. Our spark finds itself inside one of these new cells, a Cyanobacteria. This tiny organism has developed a way to eat sunlight itself. This process is called photosynthesis. The Cyanobacterium absorbs sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, creating energy to live. But this process has a byproduct, a waste gas that the cell expels, a substance that is highly reactive and toxic to all other life on Earth. This waste product is oxygen. For the first time, free oxygen is being pumped into the oceans, beginning a planetary transformation. At first, the oxygen doesn't build up. It immediately reacts with the iron dissolved in the water, creating a new substance, rust. For millions of years, the oceans of the world literally rusted. Trillions of tons of iron oxide fell like a reddish snow to the ocean floor. This process created vast, layered deposits known as banded iron formations, a permanent scar from our planet's first great pollution event. The cyanobacteria thrive, spreading across the globe. They form vast, living mats called stromatolites, their numbers growing exponentially with every sunrise. These living factories continue to pump out more and more of the toxic oxygen, relentlessly changing the world's chemistry. Eventually, the iron in the oceans is all used up. Now, there is nowhere for the oxygen to go. It begins to bubble up, escaping the water. The oxygen seeps into the atmosphere, beginning the Great Oxidation Event. The orange sky begins its slow million-year journey to becoming blue. For the old, anaerobic life, this is a catastrophe. Oxygen attacks their cells, a deadly poison they cannot escape. A mass extinction begins. The rulers of the world for over 1 billion years are wiped out, forced into the darkest oxygen-free corners of the Earth, where some still exist today. The world is now transformed. The oceans are clearer, and the sky is blue. But the revolution is not over. A new layer of protection is forming. High in the atmosphere, the sun's ultraviolet radiation strikes the oxygen molecules, transforming them into something new. Ozone. This newly formed ozone layer creates a protective shield around the Earth, blocking the most harmful UV rays from reaching the surface. This shield makes the surface of the planet safe for life for the first time. The land, once barren and irradiated, is now ready for colonization. The oxygen-rich world is also a high-energy world. It allows for the evolution of larger, more complex cells, the eukaryotes. These are the ancestors of all complex life, including plants, animals, and us. They thrive in this new, oxygenated environment. Our spark, now part of one of these new, complex cells, has survived the revolution. It has witnessed the death of one world and the birth of another. The planet is finally recognizable, a vibrant blue marble, wrapped in a protective atmosphere, teeming with new and complex microscopic life. The stage is set once more, with a breathable atmosphere and safe countenance. The next great chapter of life's adventure is about to begin.